Hi everyone, I'm going to show you how to do the buns shape of a Christmas tree. And we have already done dinner buns and the bread dough. So actually we need bread dough, about 1 teaspoon yeast, 2 teaspoon sugar and 2 tablespoons of warm water. You can mix all that together with 450 grams of flour and 1 egg, and you need 1 tablespoon of butter. All that you mix it, make the dough, keep for 1 hour, and then I have already made small balls with the bread dough. Now we are going to make a filling. We'll make the filling and then we can see how we are going to do the filling. Oil. I have used a dessert spoon of oil. We need finely chopped onions, curry leaves, garlic and 1 green chili. Once it is tempered, we can use meat or fish. Whatever you like, you can use either meat or fish. Boiled meat, mince it. Now we will use all the seasoning, starting from turmeric, salt, pepper, chili pieces and tomato sauce. We'll mix all this. Now it's done. We will see what we are going to do here. Put into a small bowl. Keep aside. Actually, I have done the bread dough for y'all. We have done so many times. So take this, flatten the bread dough. Put a little filling and cover it. I am just doing small ones, but you could do it bigger than this also. 1 like that. We have to do the bread dough. I allow to ferment. Just I am going to make it like a Christmas tree, but whatever shape you like, you can do it. There's nothing to worry. Now what I am going to do is, with the egg yolk, break it up. Don't take the egg yolk separately, it has to be with the egg white, but you break and take only the yolk of it, so that little egg white also should come. Now what I am going to do is, on a buttered baking tray, we have kept it. That is, if you want to have it this shape, otherwise any color or just without the color even, no problem. Now we are going to keep this at least for 5 minutes. After that, you are going to put it into the oven. 180 centigrades, 360 Fahrenheit. You bake for 20 to 22 minutes. Don't over bake it. Now we will bake this. I have just done the shape of a Christmas tree, but you can do any shape I told you. This seasonal bun is a treat for everyone. Try it out and see how it is. For the whole season you can make different type of buns. I have shown you how to make bun. So you try it out and see how it is, because next week with another recipe I will come to see you.